Hi everybody, this is a video in order to show how to set up EFI Boot in graphic mode. It's a feature that is not very well known, and so I will do this demo using version 1.24 hotfix 1. So here I have a Windows 10 machine encrypted, and first thing to do, we need a BMP image. So I will use this one. It must be in 256 colors, and it's important that it must not contain color space information, otherwise it will not be able to load in UEFI mode. So this bitmap I created it using GIMP. So the first thing to do is we have to modify the configuration of the UEFI boot. So for that we go to menu System Settings, and we click on Edit bootloader configuration, and here we have many things to modify. The first thing is to modify password type, so we'll set password type to 1. This will indicate to VeraCrypt to accept entry using graphic mode. And then you will notice there is a default field called PasswordPicture. It's called login.bmp. So that's why this bitmap, I named it login.bmp. So we continue, and here we will add a new field at the end. So I already typed the value here. So basically what we say to the bootloader in order to simulate a touch screen, because actually this feature of graphic mode was implemented by Alex for the computers with a touch screen in order to have an on-screen keyboard instead of typing on a physical keyboard. So here we'll tell him to simulate it because we don't have a touch screen. So what I will do is just I copy this line and I will add it to the configuration file here. So up, copy, okay. So that's all. So basically, yeah, password type to 1, verify that we have PasswordPicture to login BMP, and TouchSimulate set to 1. Then we click OK. And since actually in graphic mode, well, the PIM is not implemented in graphic mode, it will switch also to console mode. So in this case, I will ask not to request the PIM. Of course, it's a warning for security. Well, I accept it in this case. So this will enable to have only the password that will be typed in graphic mode. So voila, finish. So we click OK. So afterwards we have to copy this bitmap into UEFI system partition. For that I will start administrative command prompt. So I will run as administrator, and then I will use the command mount vol. So mount vol. So I will use the drive letter B. So basically here it means that in drive letter B, the UEFI system partition will be mounted. So I go inside it, and here I will copy the bitmap I have, which is stored in C data. So C data login BMP, and I just type point. So the file will be copied the root of the UEFI system partition. So now we are finished. So I close, and I can restart the machine. Well, here usually it is stuck on the boot, on the logo of the manufacturer. So what we'll do, usually we type F1, to skip this mode. And so now we are presented with the VeraCrypt UEFI login. So basically what we see here, we see places for keyboard. It's on-screen keyboard, it's for touch screen. And we have several menus. In our case, well, we will not use this. We'll just type the password on the read keyboard. Just some few features here. For example, if we type F5, the on-screen keyboard, displays the letters, so we can, the person with touch screen can type directly password on the screen. So, well, it can be disabled with F5 again. So it disappears. So in our case, we'll type directly the password on the physical keyboard, and voila. So, well, I will be asking people who have machines with touchscreen like Microsoft Surface or equivalent to do tests to help find any issues and have suggestions how to implement this in a better way. So voilà, that's it. That was the purpose of this video. Thank you for watching.